Gallo Pinto. Mixture of rice and black beans. A main dish from Costa Rica. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Place vegetable oil on a frying pan and heat for approximately 1 minute. Sautee onions until caramelized. Add entire pot of cooked beans and its gravy into the sautéed onions. Step 2. Stir over low-medium heat for a minute. Combine cooked rice to sautéed bean, mix well and simmer for 5 minutes. Add salt to taste. Add cilantro. Step 3. Cook on high heat and quick. Step 4. Serve immediately and add the Lizano sauce to taste. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.